So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find out what's draining your laptop's power with a detailed report. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open command promote on your system and make sure to run it as administrator. Once you do that and allow it to run, here you have to search. Here in the prompt, you have to write power cfg slash just give a space, then right slash energy. Once you do that, just simply hit enter, and it will take some time, like for 60 seconds, to analyze and generate a complete in-depth report of the battery consumption. Now here you can see it has generated a report which is located right there. Now just simply browse it to that particular folder, like it says in Windows System 32. And let me just quickly go over there. And here you have to search for that file. Let me search for energy report. Here you can see it has generated a detailed HTML file for the energy report, where you can find multiple things that you're gonna find of how your battery has been consumed over the last couple of period, and here you can find the detailed report. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.